students, we are going to do chapter 4 of your English course book, that is the city mouse and the country mouse. The country mouse lived in the country. Here country is a name of the village. Okay, his cousin the city mouse lived in the city. There are two mice. One lived in the one lived in the village named country and other lived in the city. One day the country mouse invited his cousin the city mouse to come and visit him. One day the mouse who lived in the village, he invited his cousin to the village. Okay, the city mouse traveled to the country in a bus hidden under a seat. What did city mouse do? He traveled means went to that country in a bus hidden under a seat, means he was hiding under a seat and he went from city to the country. He reached the country in the afternoon. His cousin was very happy to see him. He reached there in the afternoon and his cousin was very happy. The country mouse and the city mouse roamed around in the country the whole day. What did they do? They both roamed around, means moved here and there without any reason, full day. Okay, at the end of the day they sat for a meal of a few kernels of corn and a couple of dry berries. At last they both sat down for a meal. Meal means for their food, and in food what they have, kernel of corn means seed of corns, and dry berries. Berries are a type of a small fruits. Next, the city mouse was greatly disappointed with the meal. The city mouse was upset with the meal. Dear cousin, said the city mouse, you hardly have anything to eat. He said that you don't have anything to eat, you have very less things to eat. Even an ant has a better meal. He said that even in the cities ant has better meal than this. Please come with me to the city, we will eat rich food fit for a king. He said that please come with me to the city, we both will eat rich food, means there will be a large variety of food like a king eat. Okay, so the country mouse left with his cousin for the city. So both of them left for the city. In the city mouse took his cousin to an alley. Alley is a narrow back street, means very small back street. Okay, the city mouse took his cousin to that alley. There lay before them a splendid feast, means there was a grand feast. Feast again means a lot variety of food. Okay, the country mouse could not believe his eyes, because the country mouse has never seen like this way food, so he could not believe his eyes. He had never seen so much food in one place. There was bread, cheese, fruit and grains of all kinds lying around in the alley. There were so many things lying around in that alley. The two mice settled down to enjoy their wonderful dinner. Both of them settled down and start enjoying their dinner. They had barely begun when a cat came up to them. Means they have hardly started. Begun means started. Okay, when a cat come to both of them. Okay, the two mice ran away and hid in a small uncomfortable hole, because the hole was small and there were two mice, so they fastly ran and hid in a small uncomfortable hole. When the unwelcome visitor left, the mice came out of their hole. Unwelcome means not wanted. When that cat left, the mice came out of their hole. Next is they went back to their feast, means they again started their food. But before they could start eating properly, another visitor, this time a fierce looking dog, came near them and growled. When they hardly again started their food, another visitor, means one more guest came there, and unwanted guest, and this time that is a dangerous looking dog. Okay, and that dog growled, means make a angry sound. The two little mice ran back to the hole. They both again ran back to the hole. Dear cousin, said the country mouse to the city mouse, you do indeed live in a place with lot of food. He said that yes, you sure may live in that place where there is a lot of food, but I am going back to the country where I can enjoy my dinner in peace. Goodbye. he said that you surely live in a place where there is a lot of food, but I am going back to the country because I can enjoy my food there in peace. Peace means without disturbance. Okay, he said that I know that there is a lot of food in this city, but I want to eat my dinner in peace. So goodbye. So that's it in the chapter.